Cole Porter said it best, it is too darn hot and it's going to get a lot hotter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another product review, and this time around this is courtesy of Wearable sports fan. So the company Curter, I think I'm saying that right, the company Curter has these fans that you put around your neck, and I know that you guys may have seen this on Amazon and you're wondering, does this actually work? So I decided to purchase this product with my own money. This video is not sponsored. So yeah, I purchased this with my own money. I've been trying it out, and I want to give you guys an honest review on this product. So as you can see, it comes in two different colors, and I received the one that is black with the little red handles there. And as you guys can see, it kind of is shaped like a Bluetooth that goes around your neck, but it is a fan. So if you look closer, you guys can see there are little fans that are inside there. So what you do is you have this little button here, and on the back there you have a lithium battery. So this part here with the button goes at the top. So the lithium battery part goes at the bottom. I know I saw some reviews on there where people were saying, oh, I didn't feel the air blowing on me. And you may have just had it turn wrong. Who knows? So yeah, you put it around your neck and you can adjust it in the way that you like. So me personally, I like to turn mine like this and up and feel the breeze. So there are 3 levels that they have on this fan here. That is the low, there's the medium, and there's the high. And this is all done using a USB. So you can charge this up, and the battery lasts about 3 hours or more, at least it has in my time. It is recommended that when you first receive this item that you charge it fully for 3 hours. There's going to be a red indicator light right here letting you know that this is charging. But once it's fully charged, it's gonna turn to blue. And if it needs to be charged, then it's gonna blink red. So I know you guys are wondering, is it loud? You be the judge. I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you. So in order to turn it on, you just hold this button down here for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, the fans are now on. So I'm gonna put this close to the screen, and you guys let me know whether or not you hear it on the low level. So you just push the button again to get to the medium level. And push it again for high. Now I'm going to turn it back down to low, and then I'm going to turn it off by holding it down for 3 seconds. If you have this, in my opinion, if you have it on low, that is the best level to have it on if you want to read. But if you're doing something that is more high impact, like maybe you're exercising or you're going for a jog, then I would suggest to turn this up to the highest level so it can cool you down. But I think one of the misconceptions is this is not an air conditioner, this is a fan. So this is not going to be one of those things where you're going to be super cold when you're outside. That is a lie. Anybody tell you that and they're showing you something like this, they are lying to you. Okay, because it is not going to keep you cool unless it's cool outside. It's a fan. It's going to blow whatever air is generating. But I will say this, if you are in a house that is like air conditioned, maybe they don't have enough air blowing, you may have went over to your grandmother's house where they usually keep it hot, that is where this comes in handy, because when you put this on and you turn it up, it is going to feel great when you are inside. So I like to take this while I go for a walk. I feel like this is perfect. Like I said, it's not loud. It comes with simple instructions. It is not a hard product to use. And of course, like I said, it comes with a USB cord. Only thing I don't like is that it has this creaking noise. So yeah, it's kind of annoying. But other than that, like I said, it's a cheap product. It's not something where I'm spending hundreds of dollars. It is just something that's quick and simple, and it's going to keep me cool, just as if I would if I were walking around with a fan, just fanning myself. That's basically what it feels like, but without the work of your hands. So with this, it stays charged about 3 hours or more. It just depends on how long you leave it charged, and it is perfect. It takes a long time for this fan to go out. I will have all the information down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these to combat this hot weather, especially here in the South, guys, it is hot. Okay, I am finding every option that I can to not only save on that electric bill, but to also stay very cool, because that's what we're looking for this time, right? We still have a little bit of time left in summer, so why not find different ways to beat the heat, so that you guys can try this wearable fan. And if you've already tried one, comment down below your experience, and I will see you guys in my next product review. Bye.